Doctor said she'd be on meds for life, but just weeks after cutting out plants completely, her autoimmune systems vanished. No drugs, no side effects, just meat. Sound crazy? Now here's the science that explains it all. Hey everyone, my name's Marc Bates. I'm a metabolic health coach, and this is part of my question and answer series. Why carnivore heals when medicine fails? The shocking truth about autoimmune recovery. Okay, let's get to the question. When conventional medicine struggles with autoimmune disorders and inflammatory conditions, what specific physiological mechanisms make the carnivore diet effective where traditional treatments often fail? Well, that's a key question. The carnivore diet appears to be uniquely effective for autoimmune and inflammatory conditions, often succeeding where conventional medicine fails, because it targets several core physiological mechanisms that underlie these disorders. Here's how. 1. Immune system reset via antigen elimination. Autoimmune disorders are often triggered or worsened by exposure to dietary antigens, particularly plant compounds such as lectins, oxalates, phytates, and gluten-like proteins. A strict carnivore diet is essentially an elimination diet, removing nearly all potential dietary triggers. This can calm an overactive immune system by reducing gut permeability, leaky gut, and exposure to foreign proteins that cross-react with human tissues. 2. Reduction of systematic inflammation. Conventional medicine uses drugs like corticosteroids or biologics to blunt inflammation, but they don't address the root causes. A carnivore diet reduces inflammation through elimination of omega-6 rich seed oils, which are pro-inflammatory, ketone production, which has direct anti-inflammatory effects and improves mitochondrial function, and high intake of bioavailable animal nutrients that support immune regulation, including zinc, vitamin A, and glycine. 3. The restoration of mitochondrial function. According to Dr. Chris Palmer in Brain Energy, nearly all chronic and mental illnesses, including autoimmune diseases, stem from mitochondrial dysfunction. Okay? Ketogenic carnivore diets restore mitochondrial health by reducing the glucose dependence and insulin signaling, enhancing fatty acid oxidation and keto metabolism, and reducing oxidative stress and improving ATP production. 4. Elimination of plant toxins. Some plant foods marketed as superfoods contain oxalates and other compounds that trigger autoimmune flares and contribute to joint pain, brain fog, fatigue, and kidney dysfunction. Removing these substances through a carnivore approach allows tissues to offload stored oxalates and reduces subclinical toxicity. Insulin and glucose control. Autoimmunity and inflammation are often worsened by chronic hyperinsulinemia and glucose instability. Carnivore diets tightly regulate both, improving hormone signaling and lowering systematic stressors. Okay. Are there case examples and clinical evidence? Well, yes. Specifically, Dr. Georgia Eade and Michelle Hearn document cases where clients have reserved lifelong autoimmune systems, eliminated depression and anxiety, and healed from intractable gut disorders by switching to a low-carb carnivore nutrition. Okay, if you want some of those details, they're in their books, or you can contact me and I'll give you references. Okay. Finally, in summary, where conventional medicine uses symptom suppressors, for example, steroids, immunosuppressants, the carnivore diet appears to address the root causes. It helps eliminate immune overaction, gut permeability, mitochondrial failure, toxic plant metabolites, and metabolic dysregulation. This physiological reset is why many patients experience remission of autoimmune and inflammatory conditions after adopting a carnivore lifestyle. So think about it. All right. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you have any comments or questions, or you want some more details, leave them in the comment section. I'll get back right to you immediately, or not immediately, but as fast as I can. And if you have any ideas for things you want me to cover, this is a community. I'm here to help answer your questions and make sure you have the information you want. Let me know. And as always, if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, ring the bell if you want to get notified of special events, and obviously share this video with somebody who might need it. It will help everybody, and the channel really help. I appreciate for the channel really does improve if you help me get the word out. Thank you so much.